Just as we talked about in yesterday's video, Bitcoin is already moving down. We moved into mild caution and are now posting massive overextended readings on the Pro Trade Manager. If we see a red dot, I think this move up is over. In my opinion, we need to get ready for further drops. And in this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can find the next bottom, potential entry, and how to set alerts so you don't miss it. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, our traders have earned 314 wins and 0 losses in our membership trades. We have a brand new future forecast out that answers the question, alt season, did it just start? Everyone is buzzing about altcoins, and for good reason, and we need to cut through the noise and see what's really happening under the surface. Guys, we are answering a lot of important questions in today's future forecast. Do not miss out on it. If you're not a member yet, you can access this future forecast with a membership at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Getting started, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the daily time frame with the market cycle highs and lows and the Pro Trade Manager. Once again, we sit in mild caution, which in previous bear markets, moving back into mild caution has always resulted in a drop, and we see an overextended reading on the Pro Trade Manager that lets us know that moves down are incoming. I think I said mild caution on the Pro Trade Manager. This is mild caution on the market cycle highs and lows, just to make that quick correction. With that in mind, we should be looking for moves down. As the price drops, we want to see this legend move down from caution into concern, fear, and max fear. These two bottom signals, fear and max fear, have previously signaled the absolute bottom of a bear market right here. Fear and max fear in bright turquoise and bright green called the bottom of the market with major moves up. Now, I would call this a bottom zone. Using the Pro Trade Manager in this bottom zone, we can look for green dots, which are calling exact bottoms in the market to help you find the absolute best entry opportunities. So this is exactly what we're going to be looking for up here as well. As the price drops, regardless of what the price target ends up being, although above 50,000, I think is where it's going to land, somewhere around $52,000 to $57,000. We want to see fear or max fear, and then while in those zones, we want to see a green dot post on the Pro Trade Manager. Let's set some alerts real quick. Head to the alerts tab, click create alert. We're going to switch this to the market cycle highs and lows, looking for fear, once per bar close, and we're going to click create. Next alert. It's going to be under the market cycle highs and lows again, and this time we're looking for max fear, once per bar close, and click create. Last alert. This time under the Pro Trade Manager, keep it at long entry, short take profit, once per bar close, and click create. Fear and max fear alerts will post once a candle closes in fear or max fear on the market cycle highs and lows. Long entry, short take profit will post an alert when we get a green dot. You're going to see several green dots, I think, as the price drops. It's not until we see fear and max fear and then a green dot that we're looking for potential entries. Now, this is not financial advice, but I am wanting to show you how we make entries here at Trade Confident, and we're going much more in depth into this in today's future forecast episode. On top of money-making benefits like the future forecast episodes, top buy, sell signals, and more, our traders get massive discounts on our indicators. All you need to do is head into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the second link. Click that. It's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. That is less than $50 to get started. Head to the indicator tab and you can access the Pro Trade Manager and the market cycle highs and lows for $150 off each with the coupon code listed here. When you're ready, click Pro Trade Manager, click I want this. Down here, the market cycle highs and lows, click that, add to cart. Throw in that membership code, fill in your information, click pay, and we are so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thanks so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for today's future forecast episode. Don't miss out.